Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to Splash TV episode 7. In today's segment, we're going to be discussing how to get your tax transcripts for free using the IRS.gov website. This video was highly requested and I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to request your transcripts via mail and online in this video. So if you're interested in this video, make sure you continue to watch, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you like videos like these. But without further ado, we're going to hop right into the video. So as you can see, right from my iPhone, I'm going to simply type in IRS.gov right in my web browser, and it's going to pop up a screen just like this one, and it should give you a drop down of a list of things to choose from. For this particular video, we're going to click on Get Your Tax Record. So you should get to a screen just like this. It says welcome to Get Transcript, and right below that it has the translations in which you can choose from. Mine is on English, of course. Just a little bit below that, we're just going to scroll down just a tad bit in the blue box. They give you a little informational box on what's new, how to go about getting your customer file number ID, and so on and so forth. So as a precautionary, they have the Get Transcript Services for individual taxpayers to retrieve their own transcripts at their own risk for their own purposes. So at any given time, if you want to look at your, say for instance, annual gross income, you can request online, or you have the obligation to request it by mail, in which we're both going to be talking about today. Okay, so guys, this is the page where it says what you need. This is the documentation you need in order to register successfully from home to retrieve your transcripts. So they're going to ask you a little bit of information, just your basic things that you need. Social security number, obviously, your date of birth, your filing status, your mailing address from the latest tax return. You're going to need, they're going to need access to your email account, and they may ask you some card and personal account information if needed. Moving down to the what you get, as you can see, they have all transcript types available online, and you can also view, print, or download your transcripts. All you need is your simple username and password, and then you can return later if need be. So if you want to go ahead and request it online, you'll push Get Transcript Online, which we're going to do right now. So right here on the login page, I'm going to simply just type in my username. So yes, this is the picture of the laptop that I have that I chose initially when I signed up. I'm going to simply put my password right below that. And then I'm going to simply press submit, and it should direct me to the next page. So right here, for your protection, they're going to send you a 6-digit code that you're going to simply enter in. It's just a part of their verification system with the IRS. So once you've done that, you're going to then hit submit. Yeah, so right here on this page, guys, it's your login history. It tells you exactly when you last logged in and exactly in detail what date, what time, and the activity in which you've done so. So you're going to simply hit continue right underneath security announcement. So guys, from this screen, it's going to ask you to select a reason why you need this transcript. And in today's video, for these purposes, we're going to be choosing a small business loan. Now, as you know, I recently applied for a PPP and also helped people apply for their PPP. And I'm going to apply with a different lender because I heard other great things about it. I'll just say that, for lack of better words, and I'm going to see if this works. So we're all learning together, and I appreciate you all watching this video. Again, if you're liking this video, make sure you thumbs up, you guys, hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell to get notified for videos just like these. It's then going to ask you and direct you to select a tax year. So for this purposes of this video, I'll be using 2019 because they're going to go back, and I'm going to choose account transcript. So that's simply it for the online requesting how to retrieve your own transcripts from line using the IRS.gov. As I said before, they have a little bit of account details in here as far as wage and income. You can request your annual transcripts and your whole record if you choose to, and you just select the year that you want to choose and want to know about. For this purposes of this video, I will not be choosing one for confidentiality reasons. So we're going to dive right into how to request by mail. You're going to push OK on this page, guys, and then right after that, it's going to say Get Transcript by Mail, and as you can see, you just fill out the basic basic information they need: the social security number, the date of birth, the home address, the zip code, things of that nature. And once that's done, it's going to ask you and direct you to press continue. It's then going to ask you and direct you to select a tax year. So for this purposes of this video, I'll be using 2019 because they're going to go back, and I'm going to choose account transcript. Now keep in mind, for this video, I use account transcript because I already actually requested one as a return transcript. So it may or may not work. So let's see. So as you can see, it says that 2019 has already been ordered within the last 2 weeks, which I just did it today, guys. I was just on here for just showing you guys for purposes of how to do so. So that concludes my video. And if you guys like this video, just make sure you thumbs it up, okay? Make sure y'all hit that notification bell, and y'all see you next time.